Guys, we are Goofy here, and today I'm in a server with B-Dog. If you don't know who B-Dog is, he's a really cool YouTuber who just hit 1,000 subscribers yesterday. So let's go see if we can talk to him.
No, B-Dog, come here.
Oh, I'm the last guy. That's cute.
B-Dog, bonk.
But guys, I have a suggestion. What if we do everybody versus me? Everybody versus me and Maze. Everybody versus me and Maze. Bro, everybody versus me and Maze. Wait, B-Dog. 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 B-Dog.
B-Dog's not it.
Bro, B-Dog. B-Dog. Oh. Oh, what the heck? Bill. B-Dog. 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 My headset's about to die. Can you please say hi to my video? Please.
The GoPro mod's so big, it's big and chunky.
Wait, B-Dog, can you please say hi to my...
Why did I say it's so big, it's big and chunky?
Wait, B-Dog. B-Dog.
Alright,
B-Dog.
I gotta charge my controller.
Wait, hang on, B-Dog. B-Dog. My headset is about to die. Can you please say hi to my video? You are my biggest inspiration to make a YouTube channel.
Guys, I'm leaving. Guys, I'm leaving.
Wait, B-Dog, can you please say hi to my video? Oh, that's it for today. Where'd he go?
Is there any free cosmetics? I want a free cosmetic. Why? That's not it. No.
I think he's at 1,029.
To be the competitive lobby gets 1,000 shiny rocks. I already have it beat, dumbass. You need to beat it again right now.
I suck at competitive.
You guys, you owe me 1,000 shiny rocks.
Bro, I suck at competitive.
Nah, you're gonna owe me 1,000. He said, I own your shit. No, bitch ass. No. Yeah, you owe me 1,000 shiny rocks. We don't owe you shit. Oh yeah, give me 1,000 shiny rocks. We don't owe you shit. Too bad.
Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We met B-Dog. Make sure to subscribe to him. He's a really good Gorilla Tag YouTuber who just hit 1K.
No, I do not.
Hey, do you have anything do you have anything good about B-Dog that you should say that you want to say to the video?
You can go fuck yourself. I beat you first, so you owe me shit. I don't give two fucks. I own your shit.
Bro, you're trying to get me demonetized. Why are you trying to get me demonetized?
But this little kid says I own 1,000 shiny rocks and I don't own him nothing. I said if I beat the obby before you.
No, you didn't.
1,000 shiny rocks. What are you gonna do if I don't give it to you?
Hey, does anybody have anything to say to my video for B-Dog?
Among Us.
Among Us. Okay, but that's gonna be it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe to B-Dog. He's a really good Gorilla Tag YouTuber.
Shout out to B-Dog. Give him a shout out to B-Dog.
Yeah, shout out to B-Dog.
If you don't say you like Among Us, you owe me 5,000 V-Bucks.
Yeah, I don't even play Fortnite, so suck on that. I don't owe you fish.
Hey! Hold on, what you... I don't...
No!
I hate that. Don't know what you heard.
Wait, Lava Monkey, Lava Monkey.
But I'm the biggest bird,
Ah! Wait, does anybody have something they want to say to my video? About B-Dog, that's good. And not getting me demonetized. What do you have to say about B-Dog without getting me demonetized?
Among Us.
Oh my god.